In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall OneNote. If you no longer need OneNote on your computer and want a quick way to remove it, this process is very simple and only takes a moment. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, press the Windows key on your keyboard. This opens the Start menu and also lets you begin searching for apps installed on your computer. If you're not used to using keyboard shortcuts, don't worry. The Windows key is usually located on the bottom row of your keyboard and has the Windows logo on it. Once the Start menu or search area is open, type OneNote into the search bar. As you type, Windows should start showing matching results automatically. Look for OneNote in the list of apps that appears. This helps make sure you're selecting the correct program before uninstalling it. When you see OneNote in the search results, click Uninstall. Depending on your version of Windows, this option may appear on the right side of the search panel or after you right-click the app name. After clicking Uninstall, Windows may open the settings page or show a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to remove the app. If that happens, simply continue with the Uninstall option to confirm. At this stage, the system will begin removing OneNote from your device. This usually only takes a short amount of time. It's a good idea to wait until the process fully completes before closing any windows, just to make sure the app is removed properly. One helpful tip is to save any notes or important content from OneNote before uninstalling it, especially if you're not syncing your notebooks elsewhere. Uninstalling the app removes the program, so it's always smart to double check that anything important has already been backed up or stored safely. And that's all there is to it. By pressing the Windows key, searching for OneNote, and choosing Uninstall, you can remove the app quickly and easily. If you found this helpful, you can follow the same general method for uninstalling many other apps on Windows as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.